Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your iPhone XR is updated and unlocked. This prevents verification errors. Once done, gather the physical card or the issuer app and your billing info so you won't interrupt the flow. Open the wallet app and tap the plus sign in the top right corner. You'll see options for credit, debit, transit, and passes. Tap the appropriate card type and position the card in the camera frame when prompted to autofill details, or choose Enter Card Details manually to type them in. You now verify card details and select preferences so payments behave as you expect. If you enter details manually, add CVV and billing address, the camera scan card will usually autofill those. Next, pick a default payment card for Apple Pay and enable Express Transit if your card supports it, which lets you tap without Face ID. The issuer will ask you to verify ownership. Complete verification via SMS code, bank app approval, or email link. Make sure notifications. You finish by accepting the issuer terms and waiting for the confirmation that the card is added to wallet. You'll see it listed and ready. Test asynchronously with a small purchase or a transit tap using Face ID to confirm setup. If the card fails to appear or verification stalls, restart your iPhone XR and retry. Also check Wi-Fi or cellular, sign in to iCloud with the same Apple ID, and confirm your region supports Apple Pay. If issues persist, contact the card issuer for verification help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.